This is the Military and Aerospace Electronics Report. I'm John Keller. If you've been paying attention, you know by now the Defense Department's budget for next year is trending down, and in a pretty substantial way. This shouldn't be cause for alarm though, because the really big hits are in overseas military operations. And all this indicates is the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan are winding down. It doesn't mean that technology spending is going away. So, if you're in the defense technology industry, you can take heart from the 2012 budget for two reasons. First, the procurement budget is trending upward, about 7% in fact. Now, DOD wants to spend $113 billion for buying military hardware next year, and a lot of that will be for electronics. Second, and most important for optimism, involves the opportunities in this budget for upgrades to existing systems and technology insertion projects to make today's weapons even more lethal and effective. Now, upgrades and technology insertion, they're just not big glittering items in that DOD budget. Most of them are down in the weeds, off the radar, and that's just how program managers like it. Using the Pentagon's money to improve capabilities in existing planes, ships, and tanks, rather than trying to buy a lot of flashy new platforms, is the way for our military leaders to get the most bang for the buck. And it's an effective way to keep specific military programs from becoming political lightning rods and getting our friends on Capitol Hill all hot and bothered. Now, if you're in the military electronics business, this is good news. Systems upgrades and technology insertion translate into bright new opportunities for things that boost military capability: embedded computing, sensors, tactical networking, soldier systems, and the like. So, with this in mind, let the DOD budget top line shrink. We're going to be just fine. For the Military and Aerospace Electronics Report, I'm John Keller.